Hello, this is Larynx. I decided to make a quick video about another of my projects because I think some people might find it useful. So this project is really small. It just does one thing, and that is it notifies you if your structure has a timer on Discord. Typically, this kind of functionality is covered by lines off or set if you're in a bigger group, but if you're in a small group and you don't really need all the other functionality, then it's kind of a waste to have it all, and also you need to set up something way more complicated than what is actually needed. And this is kind of the situation I was in, when I started my corporation some while ago, and so I decided to, just write my own. So the way you can set this up is that it is a Discord bot. You can either use the one that I host, and then the setup is really simple, and we'll go through it in a second, or you can host it yourself. And when you do that, it's a Docker container, and there's like a detailed guide here of what exactly you need to do. In this video, I'll mostly go just about how to do it if you want to do it the easy way, which is if you run it through me. Obviously, the downsides to that is one is I could look at your data. I don't, but you can never be sure. And the availability is the availability of my server, which is like professionally hosted, but still it's mine, it's not yours. You can't influence it directly. Actually, on the Friendly Splash Discord, I run a channel with all the people that actually use my version, so I can let them know if I have issues with the server, if I need to do maintenance or something like that. So, if you run through my version, it would be smart to join that, I think. So the way this works is you invite the bot to your server and you create some channel where it should be used with, and then you authenticate yourself. So right off, you get a PM, and then you log in, you select your character. This character should have the required role so that you actually are allowed to see the corp things, and that role is station manager. So you can find it in new corp window, administration, role management, station services, station manager. This is so that it is actually allowed to see that your structure is reinforced. And then if your character is allowed to see it, then you can authorize it. And then with these scopes, the bot is now allowed to see what your station is doing. So you get a callback like this. Yeah, we successfully authenticated the guy. And so what we do next is we go to our channel. And now we can check the characters that we have authorized. We have links. And at this point, we can also check our structure, and we see our structure here. And then if you first time use info, then it will remember this channel as the place to notify you with. And if you ever want to change this afterwards, you can use callback as a call and set this channel as callback for notification. And so you can change the channel later, right? So now we shoot the structure, and as soon as we get it below 95% shield, there will be a notification issued to the character, and then the bot will fetch that notification and display to you in Discord. The one important thing here is that there is a 10-minute cache on the ESI, which means that you'll only get the notification at worst after 10 minutes. And there's a way to make this shorter, which is that you add more characters, and then the bot will know that you should schedule them in a way where you get one character and then the other. And so you have 10 minutes with one character. With two, you have 5. With 4, you have like 2.5. And then the maximum support is 12 characters, in which case you have 50 seconds of delay. And there we have it. So we got a notification. I hope this makes the small group life in even a little bit easier, and hope to see you in space.